Hi, hello. Um, Greeting from Indonesia. Today I will show you how to custom or make some privilege or make some tricks or tips to your Windows. Here I'm using Windows 7 to make it, but most of it same. If you use also Windows 10, it's not much different from Windows 7. Maybe some from 1 to 10 it's difference only 3. Alright, the 3 point it will be different from Windows 7. See, okay, I will show you the tips and trick in Windows 7 how to customize your Windows through group policy editor. Let's begin. Alright, first time what you have to do is press okay, wait, I will activate first this alright, which one is on-screen keyboard. See, you can see what I'm touching here, Windows. Okay, alright, let's continue. First time, if you want to access this group policy editor, you can press Windows key plus R. Okay, just type here gpedit.msc group policy editor.msc. What is MSE? It's a kind of Microsoft Management Console, maybe Microsoft Console. Okay, then press OK. What is this? Okay. Oh, that's nothing. Okay. See, we'll go through directly this menu, local group policy editor. I will tell you little. In this local computer policy, you can configure computer configuration. It means it's this configuration. It will going through for all users in this computer, even there is administrator user. But if you make configuration here, it just going to that active user what you make before, what you use, what you are using in this when you make this configuration. That's the one will active only. Alright, but in this computer I'm using as administrators because this is my personal computer. I don't have any other user. Why am I using administrator user? Because I can do what I want, no privilege, no anything. I can do anything as an administrator user. That's the super user in the Windows operating systems. Okay, let's continue. Let's try this user configuration. Alright, basically computer configuration and user configuration is the same thing. The different what I told you before, it will, this computer configuration, it will through all users in this computer. For user configuration, it will only going through the active user when you make this configuration. Okay, let's continue. There is three. See, there's three items here, three submenus from user configuration. You can choose for custom or make some tricks or make some tips. You can configure any of Windows here. For example, I will show you the start menu and taskbar. See what I have here in start menu. I will try to show you first. Okay, see, I don't have run command in the start menu. Run command in the start menu, I don't have it. add the run command to the start menu, you can custom this windows. Just click enable, apply, and okay. See the run command from the start menu. I have it here, but if you not configure or disable, see, I don't have it. Enable, I have it. Okay, add log off to start menu. See, so many menus here. Can change start menu power button. Do not allow pinning. Don't search files. Don't search internet. If you cross down there below, so many menu here. So many menu to custom your windows. See, no need to install some downloaded software to custom your windows. You can custom it here. Some document you can remove it, some downloads, all programs list also you can remove from here. This is from the start menu. Okay, see, remove games link. What I told you before about trick for some user to make in this group policy, you have to know first what you did, what you're doing. You have to know first, because if you make mistake here, you have to know also how to make it back. Okay, first, what the virus make before. Some usually in the virus here is removing task manager. This is the access. The accessibility of the virus is remove the task manager. Some of virus. See, I will remove the task manager and apply and okay. When this enable to remove the task manager, you can check there is no task manager here. If you just press Ctrl Alt and delete, the task manager also is disappear. Okay, to make it back, you have to go back to this menu and apply and okay. See, I have the task manager here. Basically, to make some customizing in the Windows operating system is going through directly to registry editor, but in the registry editor you have to type something and make the parameter and make the decimal and hexadecimal. It's really confusing, but this is the short menus to make it simple. Okay, see, this is the Control Alt Delete option. Before I told you start menu and taskbar. Start menus and taskbar, you can add something or remove something, or from system you can add something also and remove something. Turn off Windows Update, local policy, internet, user profiles, window hot start. From this system you can access, you can custom the system. If you don't like the updates in the system, also window automatic updates, you can disable from here. See, it will disable the window automatic update, but okay, sometimes I need the update, so I turn it back. And then the share folder also, and then the network also here. See, ability to rename LAN connections. It's really useful. The network is really useful if you make some sharing client network. You can make privilege also from here, from the servers directly. And then the desktop also. See, hide Internet Explorer icon from the desktop. Remove my document, remove computer icon, even remove recycle bin icon. See, let's remove my recycle bin. I don't like it anyway. Okay, remove recycle bin icon. Why it's not removing? I don't know. Maybe you should start your computer. Maybe I should start my computer. I should restart my computer. Okay. Maybe it will remove for a while. and then hide and disable all item on desktop, hide the internet explorer icon. If you do this trick to your friends, I suggest you don't use this prank, because some of your friends maybe have what you call it, it's important data in their computer, and then you make this trick, maybe they will cry. Okay, here also there is a control panel menu, show only specified control panel item. See which one do you want. Maybe you want hardware wizard, and anything else you just put on the list. Prohibit access to the control panel. If you enable it, no one can access the control panels. If you the administrator of the computer in the office or in the some company, of course you will prohibit access to the control panel, because you will install some good software, and then they don't have to remove it, just read it and use it. Here the control panel, it's disappear. See, my control panel is disappear. Oh my god, I will turn it back. I need this control panel. Okay, I need this. And then add remove program, hide the table, hide the add new programs page. If you go to control panel, see, this is the components of the remove programs. This will going to the page, hide change or remove program page, hide the add program from CD-ROM, hide the add program from Microsoft and something else. And then display also, disable the display control panel and personalization for specific screensaver. Enable screensaver, maybe you will disable it, I don't like it also. Okay, enable screensaver, not configured to make it back to default. Screensaver timeout and anything, printers, anything, program schedule and language option, anything you can change it here. Even Windows component you can change it here. Maybe you don't like Windows backup or you don't like Windows search, prevent index pad. Sound recorder, don't allow sound recorder to run. Tablet PC, Windows anytime upgrade, turn off the calendar system, Windows color system. See, anything you can make it here. Alright, that's all. I'm not possible to explain everything in here, because so many menus here, so many, and it will not going through one day, but I will show you how to use this. And after this you just learn it and try to understand it and try to make some experiment here, but I suggest you do it on your own risk. Okay, do on your own risk. Alright then, maybe I hope it's useful for you. Alright then, that's the tutorial for today. Customizing and some tricks for Windows. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Good afternoon from Indonesia. Have a nice day. Bye.